Hey guys, it's Samwise, and today we've got a video. Okay, today we are unboxing the Corsair 5000D Airflow. This is a pretty well-known case, pretty legendary, not quite as popular as the Corsair 4000D. This one's a little bit bigger. The reason I got this for myself is because this one can mount a 360 rad on top, a 360 AIO with three 120 fans on top. So this is going to be a really great option for water cooling, particularly if you like that top exhaust. Looking at the box here, you can see nice graphics in the front, some information on the sides, kind of a schematic breakdown on the back so you can see all the pieces that you need, and some more information there. So pretty generic box, nothing too crazy. I do have a little bit of shipping damage on mine. There's a few dings, a few little holes there, but overall I don't think that's going to be a huge deal. So we're going to go ahead and open her up and see how she looks. Yeah, right away, looking at the box, you can tell that there's some really high quality, squishy foam in the packaging. It's really nice. There's also a nice clear bag there that you can see that the case is in. So it should be pretty protected from shipping damage. I don't think that would be a major cause for concern. We're gonna go ahead and flip this over and get it out. And there we go. Case is out of the box. On its side here. Oh, we'll flip it around. Yeah, she's got some weight to her. You definitely might want a second pair of hands, but you can see again, really nice styrofoam padding in the shipping container, or in the box I should say, so I do think it's going to be pretty well protected. So we'll go ahead and pull the packaging off. Yeah, it's heavier than I expected. We'll pull the bag up. And there you go. Here is the case. So, really nice black and steel and glass case. Here's the front profile. As you can see, this case definitely prioritizes airflow above everything else, so it might be a little bit louder with the fans I'm planning to put in here, but that is a small price I'm willing to pay for the airflow and the cooling. So there's the front. On this back side, you can tell there's some grills here. Those are for additional fans that you can mount actually inside of the case to provide that next level of airflow. There's the back. You can see pretty traditional backside, and then here's that tempered glass side once again. So with the tempered glass side, I am noticing it's a little darker than I was expecting, and a little darker than it looks in some of the product images. So keep that in mind. You're definitely going to need lighting in here if you do want people to really see your full build. Okay, and so we've got the side panel off now, and as you can see, this is a really nicely sized case. It's still technically a mid-tower case, but this will support up to eATX motherboards in here, so you've got plenty of room. There's a couple fans that this does come with, but they are dinky, and I would recommend probably swapping those out about as quickly as you can. Up top you can see there is some nice airflow, and that's where your AIO will be mounted if that is your choice. You could also mount a AIO, a water cooler, on the front as well. There's three holes for 120 fans. You can mount two 140s there. There are also mounts behind this cable sort of passage blocker that you see there, where you can mount an additional three. I'll remove that so you can see what that looks like. But overall, build quality on this case is exceptional. It is a lot heavier than I was expecting it to be. It looks really nice. There's no dings or damage from shipping, even though I saw the box took a few hits. Storage here looks great. Sizing looks great. Airflow should be even better. Here we have the back side of the case with the back panel removed. You can see that there's some tape here from the packaging, which I'll go ahead and remove now. Okay, now that that's removed, you can see here that there is those 3 additional holes for 120 fans, or you can mount, again, 2 140s in the back here. There's also this door that opens up. And that reveals your back channel cable areas. You can see there's some packaging down here for just protection while shipping, the manual for this case, as well as the box containing screws and stuff like that that we'll need. You can see cable management here, looks really awesome. There's gonna be a lot of great options there. It does also come with a fan controller, but these are just 4-pin PWM fans, so not an RGB controller for your fans. You can see there's a back plate behind the motherboard that will support mounting hard drives or solid state drives, 2.5 inch or 3.5 inch. There's also a hard drive bay in the bottom here that you can use. Pretty good amount of space for your power supply. And yeah, again, same as in the front, the build quality here is just exceptional. This little door is great, keeps everything tidy, keeps it neat. The paint job on here is awesome. The build quality looks great so far. All the panels are connected well, no major gaps. So really happy with that so far, and I'm feeling like this is worth the price. Another thing about this case that is really awesome is how this front panel all works. So there's just 2 little things that pop right out. You fold that down. A heavy piece of metal. You can drop that. Then you'll see there is a piece of mesh that covers these front fans. You can pull that off very easily as well. And reveal your fan tray. So this fan tray is removable. There's a few screws on the inside here where you can get it out, but you can also just screw your fans right into the holes here. Again, there was 1 fan pre-installed here, but I've already removed that as I've begun swapping them out for some ARGB fans, which will be part of my build with this case. But wanted to make sure you guys saw how that front panel works too. Finally, I do want to show the top I/O here. So you can see we've got power, 2 USB 3s, 1 USB-C that's running at 20 gigabits per second, so that's a 3x2 × 2, a combo mic and headphone jack, and then reset. You can see there's still some tape in there from the packaging, but a lot of airflow on the top here. Let me see if I can remove that top thing. So that top airflow topper thing comes off pretty easy. And then we have just plain mesh here on the top that's connected to where you'll mount your top mounted fans or AIO. And this mesh is magnetic. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope you learned something new about this case. If you can't tell, I really like it and I'm very impressed. Just the weight of it, the build quality of it, all of the different features that you have, the airflow options that you can employ here, the room that you have to build out for graphics cards, 360 AIOs, eATX motherboards, the cable management that's all built in, and then just the looks of this thing. I'm super excited to build. So thank you again for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more content from me. I am going to be doing a full PC build in this case very soon, so make sure you sign up for that. And have a great holiday break. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.